Hi, I'm Craig, and welcome back to another on-the-road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. What we have today is an LG French door refrigerator. The complaint is that the top display has been falling down. Upon arrival, I do notice that the bolts that held it in have become melted and actually caused it to drop down off of the secure screws. When we move this, you see that it just basically falls right down. So if we unplug the wiring harness here, we can look and see that around the edges it's been getting melted, as well as on the top refrigeration liner across the top underneath where the bulbs are at. This is typically caused by a relay. The relay will basically not close. This one, the door switches are not in line with the lighting. So today we're going to replace the display casing. The tools you will need for this repair is a Phillips head screwdriver, a pair of needle nose pliers, and a small flathead screwdriver. To start this repair, we've already removed the plastic casing. We want to remove the two Phillips head screws that are in the top here. This will cause the bulb assembly to drop down. Be careful. It can be kind of hot. Once you have one removed, put your arm in the back and remove the Molex connector that's attaching the bulbs. Now you can remove the secondary Phillips head screw. Take this out and we can switch it over to the new display casing. To start, we're going to switch over the plastic cover on the bottom. On this one right here, it's actually melted where it goes in, so it has been held together by tape. So I'm going to remove that. Let's remove that. See if this just falls right out. It does have two clips on the bottom that slide in, as well as clips on the top that go in these notches here. So we'll get the new display casing. Put these notches for the back in first. One second. Now your screws are in. You need to replace your interface sticker. I recommend lining it up with the displays first. Then gently slide into place. Move your fingers across to push the adhesive back down. Make sure that the buttons feel like they're pressing back in. These feel good. So now we'll go ahead and put it back in the refrigerator. Okay, now right before you put this up there, put your bulbs back in. It should be cooled down by now. You'll start with the tabs on the top and slide that on, then clip into the bottom. Now there are 2 hooks that go into the refrigeration liner on the very back. You want to slide it into the liner to hold it. Oops. Next, hook in your bulb harness. After that's done, hook in your control harness. Let's do something quick. And your bulbs will turn on. Push that up so that it's in. We'll take the plastic off here so that we can replace our screws. You have 1 screw on each side. Those are in properly. Now, slide this back on. And for video purposes, we're using tape to test it out. Close the doors, make sure the lights turn off. Display looks good, and this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.